that thing's so clean. I love the blue F30s. One of my other friends have one as well. That thing's sick. Sheesh. Let me go back in beside him. Look at that. I just met this guy this morning. Like not even, maybe like 4 or 5 hours ago. And we already boys. Yes, sir. But I'll take some footage of the car. Like I said, I just met this guy. I'm not trying to have a camera in his face, but yeah, I'll show you boys what's up.
They're so fucking
Are they
sick.
90s or 20s?
20s.
Oh, damn. That must look sick on there.
Bro, there's literally like this much space from hitting like the...
You're not lowered?
Huh?
Your car's not lowered?
No, mine's stuck. That's why I can't lower it, because the rims won't fit.
Okay, it makes sense, makes sense. That's nice, bro. We got the same diffuser, the gap cam. Where do you get this one? I'm trying to get one of those.
Gap cam?
Yeah.
It cost me like $100 something, bro. It was a pretty good deal. And then the camera was like 400.
Okay, is it What is happening, boys? We're finally back with another video. I just been real busy with school, bro, but other than that, like bunch of planning for the 340. Still have to put my grills back in. I already got those though, but yeah, I gotta put those in. It is freezing out here, bro. We're gonna get a nice POV today. I haven't even driven my car much, to be honest. I've been going to school, bro, but I just been bussing, bro, because parking is so cooked. As bad as winter is, and I can't wait until it's done. I have a lot of fun in this car, in the snow. Ooh. Okay, I'm gonna just take one of these alleys. But yeah, it's just a chill POV drive today. Nothing crazy. Y'all mess with the POVs, so crazy the intake sounds from outside. I know the front mount is a lot more aggressive. I'm gonna switch back to that in once spring rolls in, probably once all the snow is all gone and I don't have to worry about that. I'm going right back to the front mount. This one sounds really good though. I guess you guys can hear it in this video as well, because I only made like one video with the new intake. All right, we got the head mount set up. Don't mind my hand, by the way, bro. I was just going down like this snowy hill. It's when you like sit on this thing and slide down like a snowy hill. I was just doing that, didn't have my gloves on, cooked my hand, bro. Look at that. Yeah, I just met this guy with the blue F30. He has a friend with a 335i F30 as well. I think I might be meeting them today. So I'll record and show you guys their cars if I do pull up. I probably won't like be doing a full like walk around or nothing, but I'll show you guys their cars. It's really cool, bro. That's the best thing about like being in the car community. You just meet the coolest people in the most random ways. That's a cop right there. Probably. I can't even tell. He just pulled out. Oh yeah, damn. That's crazy. Yo. Bro, it is a cop. I thought he was finna pull me over. Sheesh. Them boys out today. That's two of them. You probably told them this one to pull me over. Bruh. anti-lag hit. Hey, that motherfucker pulling. But damn, it's probably a shorter video. I always think these videos are so short until I go to edit them. I'm like, damn, it was actually a long video. But hopefully I'll enjoy it. I'm in a school zone. I can't even be doing nothing. I haven't driven this thing in so long. I just wanted to pick up the camera today, get back on it for y'all. I'm gonna try to be like way more consistent. I know once I'm consistent enough, like the results are gonna pay off as well. So that's one of my goals. Yo, big 850i. Damn, that shit's so nice. They got some crazy cars here. This is where my friend is with the 330, by the way. So he might be somewhere around here. I'll record the cars if I see them. But yeah, hopefully y'all boys enjoy it. Like I said, I'm gonna try to be more consistent. It's just not the season right now, and also I'm just like doing a lot of planning with the car, like what my next moves are. Obviously, like hybrid turbo, big turbo. I want to change up the suspension, coilovers. I won't say too much, but a lot of things coming with the car, so y'all just stay tuned for that. I'm gonna be more consistent with the videos, I promise. It's just kind of tough because it's winter time, and I don't want to be recording POVs like back to back to back. Plus I don't even drive the car that much. Like I said, I don't drive it every single day, but it is my daily. But yeah, it's me yapping on at the end of the video. Hopefully our boys enjoy it though, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Yes sir, my car looks so shambles though.
I got, you know the 166? The M5 rims? They're so fucking
Are they
sick.
90s or 20s?
20s.
Oh damn, that must look sick on there.
Bro, there's literally like this much space from hitting like the...
You're not lowered?
Huh?
Your car's not lowered?
No, mine's stuck. That's why I can't lower it, because the rims won't fit.
Okay, it makes sense, makes sense. That's nice, bro. We got the same diffuser, the gap cam. Where do you get this one? I'm trying to get one of those.
Gap cam?
Yeah.
It cost me like $100 something, bro. It was a pretty good deal, and then the camera was like 400.
Okay, is it the